So now we're in. Let's just do a quick walk around the room and a quick review. All right, so here is the entrance. I just walked in, put all my stuff here in the drawer, so ample drawer and cabinet space. Turn around here, we've got a nice shower. Look at this shower here. Let's take a look in here. It's got one of these detached. So here's the like waterfall shower head, which I really like, and then this little spout that you can switch by just pulling that thing there. And ample sink space, nice mirror with the LED surrounding the mirror itself, so good light. Here's a mirror, full-length mirror, and of course the standard towels and hair dryer, the waste basket, and all this stuff here. Pretty standard, so it looks nice so far. Moving this way, here is the room. So what do we have as far as amenities? We got a little coffee maker here. This looks like a, oh, there we go. Some cups, coffee. There's a coffee shop downstairs as well. But that's in case you want to make something in your room. We have a little refrigerator here, so a small refrigerator. Got some things in there already, but it's pretty standard, small size refrigerator. Here's some more glasses for your ice. So here's a little shelf area here. And then turning this way, here's the bed, of course, king size bed. Nice, real earthy feel to this room. It's hard laminate floors. And then here, got a alarm clock. So I've already seen, we got a good amount of 120 volt plugs, also USB right here. Here's a little bench so you can maybe put on some shoes. Got a nice, good size, like 55-inch TV. Depending on if you're in the room much, I don't know, I'm here for work, so I don't know how much TV I'll be watching. But here we go again, some good lighting. Here's another set of plugs, both USB and 120 volt. And then a nice couch area, so it's a pretty good sized room. Tables, a couple of tables you can do some work on. These separate, it's kind of nice. And then over here, we have a standard telephone, pretty dusty. I don't think anybody's using this, but it doesn't look like it's been touched or cleaned in a while. There's that little notepad. There's a remote control for the TV, and another set of 120 volts and some USB plugs. So good. Lighting. So lighting is really good in this room. And then here is a big window. Give you a view of some of Charlotte, some other buildings here. All right, that was a quick tour of this hotel room. This is the Marriott City Center. I mean, I like it. I'm happy with it so far. It has everything I need and more. I mean, I'm a pretty basic person, but it's got enough space to hang some clothes, got some drawer space, and you know, the typical things like a good sized TV. Looks like a nice, comfortable bed, so I'm excited to sleep in there. And hope you enjoy this quick walkthrough. If you're going to be coming to the city center here in Charlotte, it's a great location. A good amount of hotels, probably 10 or more in this 1 mile, 2 mile area. A lot of restaurants, so a lot of things to do. If you're ever in town in Charlotte area, I would recommend this location. It's just central and all kinds of stuff. There's parks, great things to do. But here we are, the Marriott City Center in Charlotte, North Carolina.